Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create the responsive sliding navigation bar using HTML, CSS, and jQuery. Look at the final demo, in which we can see the nice navigation bar with menu items. And see the nice background effect to the menu items. Whenever we resize the browser window below the certain value, we can see the hamburger menu alone on the navigation bar. And when we click the hamburger menu, a sliding navigation bar slides from the left side. And hamburger icon gets hidden, and we can notice the close icon in the place of the hamburger icon. And if we click the close icon, navigation bar slides out, and hamburger icon pops out in the place of the close icon. For demo files, you can visit my GitHub account, where you can download the files or you clone them to your desktop. I'll drop the link to my GitHub account in the description, please check it out. Let's get started with HTML structure. First, create the container development with desk navbar development. And inside that, create the unordered list with 5 list items plus anchor elements. Open HTML structure in the browser. Now let's get started with CSS, by including its link in the head section of the HTML document. For this demo, I'm going to use the Open Sans Google font family. First, search the Google Fonts keyword in the search engine. And then open the first link in the new tab. Next, search for the Open Sans fonts. Then click on the Add button. Then include the CSS import link to our style sheet. Now start writing the CSS by setting the margin and padding values of all default HTML elements to 0. Now add the Open Sans font family, and here sans serif is the secondary font family. In the case, if browsers do not support the Open Sans. Style the container development, by setting the 100% width, 70 pixels of the height. Background color and position value to the relative, so that we can control its child elements. Now set the 100% of the width and height to the desk navbar element. the bullets, and set the 730 pixels of the width, and using auto margin value place the unordered in the center of the container. Float the list items to left, give 120 pixels of the width, text align to center. And set the padding value, to place the list items vertically in the center, turn the text to uppercase. And use the transition property for the smooth effect. Now remove the underline of the anchor elements using the text decoration value to none, color to white, and 18 pixels of the font size. Add the active class to the first list item. By targeting active class, set the background color for that item. On hover, set the background color to the list items. Now get back to the HTML structure, and create the hamburger development and include the close and hamburger icons. Now let's include the Font Awesome icons. First, open the Font Awesome website, and open the Get Started link in New tab. Then include the CDN link in the head section of the HTML structure, so that we can access the Font Awesome icons. Next, open the Icons link, and search for the icons. Just see how I'm going to include them into our HTML structure. I'll drop the CDN and Font Awesome link below this video. Check it out. Now hide the hamburger icons in the desktop view using the Display None property value. Then write the media queries to the screen width of 730 pixels, and set the display value of the hamburger icons to block. so that hamburger icons are visible only in mobile view. Now hide the desk nav bar in the mobile view. Now add the navbar for the mobile view in the HTML structure below the hamburger div element. And hide the mob navbar in the desktop view. And make it visible in the mobile view. Style the icons, set its position value to absolute, which is child element to the container div element. Place the icons vertically in the center and float them to right side of the container. Increase the size of the icons and change its color to white. Style the mob navbar by setting the 250 pixels of the width, give the background color. Now if we set the 100% of height, it occupies only the height of the container, because the container is its parent. And if we specify the certain value in pixels, it may lead to vertical scroll bar. So to fix this issue, let's set its value to 100 VH, where VH is viewport height. Viewport height divides the browser into 100 equal divisions, so that whatever may be the screen size, VH occupies the 100 equal divisions of the browser. And set its position value to absolute, top and left values to 0. Now remove the bullets, place the items horizontally in the center using the text align to center and give the top-bottom padding. Now give the top-bottom padding values to the list items, and turn the items to uppercase. remove the underline, change the color. On hover to the list items, set the background color. Now change the left value of the mob navbar from 0 to -250 pixels, which is the width of the mob navbar. Let's add the Jquery Google CDN link and write the Jquery code. First, write the ready function. Hide the close button by default using the Jquery hide method. Now whenever we click the hamburger button, it should be hidden, replaced with close button. Here this represents to the hamburger button itself. By using the show and hide methods, we can achieve this easily. Now same as to happen with close button, whenever we click the close button, it should be hidden and replaced with hamburger button. Now using the CSS Jquery method, set the left value to 0, on clicking of the hamburger button. And on clicking of the close button, set the left value to -250 pixels. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the video, so don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and ask me anything in the comments section. See you in another video.